Woo! Fresh air.
All right, we're here waiting for the B-52 to take us to downtown Brooklyn. You guys ready to know where we're going?
Yeah.
We're going to the MTA Transit Museum.
Yeah.
All right, so this is my first time there. Who's been there?
Me.
You've been there.
Wait, the transportation.
Junior's been there to the Transit Museum. Have you been there, Christian?
For my birthday.
Junior went there for his birthday. So so we're gonna see how it is. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. My first time there, but we're gonna take the bus there as opposed to taking the train or driving there. There's no parking over there. So
Fun, actually.
hopefully the bus comes soon. To the Transit Museum, and now we're just kind of walking around and reading. There's lots of history from the start of the construction of the tunnels in 1900 to build the train station that we have here in New York City. So there's lots of interesting information, also just how dangerous it was to be able to do all the construction in order to build out the trains and to create the tunnels. There's tons of tunnels where all the subway tracks run on. So it's really super interesting. So we're just walking around, just kind of checking it out and taking in all the history. Doors to open. We're here. They have a show called Electricity Live. They said that they're singing and dancing, so they're about to open the doors now. Let's see how it is. Hopefully, I don't know if I can record, but if I can, I'll show you guys how it is. Okay?
Trust them. Excellent. Cool.
Power alternating to direct.
So this one here is talking about 9/11, September 11, and the Twin Towers fell. Not only was there a lot of destruction above ground, but of course below ground, say the iron beams literally penetrated the ground and went straight into underneath into the subway system. One of the chief engineers said something along the lines of that the beams that hold the platforms up were twisted like Pringle chips. It was something they had never seen before. But an interesting fact is that no lives were lost underground that day during 9/11. So it's pretty interesting stuff. So the battery on the camera is about to die, but we had a great time here at the New York Transit Museum. Lots of interesting information. And this is in downtown Brooklyn, so if you're in the area, definitely recommend checking it out. It was a lot of fun. The kids are on vacation this week. There's no school, so tomorrow we'll actually be somewhere else. But you have to check it out to find out where we go tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so that's it for the vlog. The battery's running out, like I said. And so we're just gonna take the bus home. And but we had a lot of fun. Thanks for spending some time with us today.